Welcome to day 5. At this point it feels like day 1 million. So we're having a little clean up, and as for Lacoste is a cold-blooded reptile, we need to make sure the enclosure is kept warm. So now we're just insulating all of the walls for her. Right, Oase are back, and we've just done the grand reveal of the pond overnight. Oh, look how crystal that is. You can't see the water, can you? No, because it is clearer than a crystal. Crystals look rubbish right now compared to this water. Oh, look at the real swim shady, having it. Patrick Swayze, the ghost carp. There's my little Bendy Wendy. There she is. There's Sharky and George. Barbara Carpland, Fish Face, they're all loving it. Thanks, Oase. We love you. Meanwhile, Rob was babysitting Betty the dachshund, and Oase took this opportunity to do some filming of their own. Their amazing videographer Glenn has been documenting the whole process for us and for Oase, so that the whole world can know how amazing their products are and what a fabulous job they've done for Lacoste. Talking of which, filming over, it is time for Richard to install all of the filtration for Lacoste. The big moment, the beast of all beast filters. It took a long time, it took all day to get it all plumbed in, to get all the tubing correct and in the correct positions. And here is her water blade. Now, anyone who's seen Lacoste knows how much she loves sitting under the fountain. So she's got a super duper one now that she's going to love sitting under. Then they had to run all the pipe work underneath the decking so that it can get to the pump that then pumps it into the filter. So we drilled loads of holes in the decking, and now obviously we need to protect the wood underneath. So we've got some white rock plastic sheeting that we're going to use, and then silicone over to make sure that none of the decking will rot underneath the water. It looks really, really smart. Amazing Richard here from Oase again, and he has worked his magic. You might have seen him crawling around on the floor and in all sorts of funny positions today. He's done all the plumbing with this monster beast of a filter. So Rich, what have we done today?
Filters in, pumps in, new water blades in, so Lacoste has got a new enlarged waterfall.
She absolutely loves sitting under the waterfall, so excited.
All we've got left to do now here is the heating, so we're just waiting to plumb that in, but everything's good to go other than that.
Wow, and so this filter is going to keep her, this is the all singing, all dancing magicians of filters, isn't it?
Beast.
It is a beast. Just to give you some context how big that is. And then we've got the pool heaters, hopefully that will be plumbed in tomorrow. And then all of the plumbing works underneath, so it's all neat, tidy. Try and get this out. Oh, Rich, you've been such a lead. Thank you. Really appreciate everything so much. Thank you. And now the glass has arrived for the viewing panels, so that then got installed. So Lacoste can sit by the window and eye you all up when she's feeling hungry. Meanwhile, out in the yard, Aaron is fashioning the custom-made lighting panels, so her enclosure looks super tropical. And Rob's just arrived back with the AstroTurf, so she's got brand new carpets that she's going to love romping all over. In it comes, it weighs an absolute ton. She's going to love laying out on that, sunbathing under her lights. Now to face off outside and cover up all the insulation. Hi everyone, so you might be able to tell from my rapidly deteriorating appearance that we worked all the way through the night again. There's been no let up at all. There's so much to get done in such a short amount of time, and at this point I really want to say, you know, to Trail Group, these guys have spent time away from their families, from their kids, from their friends. They've been staying over in hotels every night, working all the hours. They've basically worked 2 weeks worth of work in 1 week. I mean, they've been putting double shifts in every day. That is the most incredible thing. I don't know anyone else who would have done this. They are amazing. There are no words. I said it before, I'm going to say it again. Heroes do not wear capes. They wear high-vis jackets and also clothes covered in fiberglass. Trail Group, I love you. Lacoste love you. Everyone at Get to Know Animals loves you. You're incredible. And Oase, I mean, that filtration, did you see the water quality after 1 day? of running a filter. There was no water change. That was literally just shows you how much a good quality filter can do for your tanks. It's really important, guys. Any aquatic people out there, seriously, I'm not just plugging them, I mean it. Oase are the tip-top best filters on the planet. You've seen it with your own eyes. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get my nails done at some point in the future. It's not going to be soon. I just wanted to point out my sacrifices here. Anyway, I love you. Thank you for your support. You're all amazing, and all your kind words and comments just mean everything. See you soon.